I honestly would not buy this unless if you're the kind of person that likes everything prepackaged. I don't know if the quality is that good. Of course it won't be. There you go. But look at that. The screw that comes with it doesn't even turn it, and then all of our standard screws, drivers, won't turn it either. And you cannot, no matter how hard you push it, you can't turn it and tighten it. So this, I would just get something else.
This thing is total garbage. Save your money, save your time. The particle board fell apart while I was putting the screws into it. It's completely trashed. I'm so sick of Amazon selling crap that isn't worth anything and you have to send it back. This is ridiculous.
Soy el vago. Si quieres más energía, amperímetro y latas.
Si tu me le demandais, je le mettrais ses petits vides.